and I will not fail you. Phillip Espinoza, internationally competing in the Rubik's Cube, national, international competitor. He was wowing some people over here. I heard about this hidden talent that he has. He told me that he started in high school and he's just been doing it. And he can solve it. What's your fastest? 6 seconds. The Rubik's Cube. I can't even think about a clock in 6 seconds. But I said that I wanted him to actually share this hidden talent because this is something you all should be thinking about the youth in your community. A lot of them will have hidden talents that you don't know about. The only way that you find out is having conversations, asking them what inspires them, asking them about things they're interested in. So without further ado, Phillip is going to share with you the Rubik's conundrum solution. Phillip Espinoza. Feel free to time it if you want.
Hey everybody, does that look mixed enough? Not looking, I promise. Alright, I can do it without looking, but that takes a couple minutes. So. Blindfold. Alright, so ready, set, go.
Boom! Thank you very much for coming today. I don't know about this until a gentleman comes and whispers in my ear, there's a young man here who can take a Rubik's Cube and turn it around in 7 seconds, 6 seconds, whatever. He's done international. I said, shut up. And then I'm over in the corner here and I hear all these people, woo! And then the guy goes, there he is. Because that's when he makes everybody go, woo! After he's done, right? But can you imagine if they did a brain study? When he's doing that, what's lighting up in his brain? That's those areas that light up with your young people when they're excited about what they're doing.
My name is Phillip Espinoza. I'm Puniyai from Mesa Grande, which is in San Diego. Thank you for your time.
Oh.